We've talked a little bit about inequalities, but let's talk about some special cases of inequalities. So first we'll do this one. Whenever you're solving inequalities or equations, make sure you simplify each side individually first as much as possible. On the left side of this one, I can't multiply or add, so I'll just leave it 3w plus 5. But on the right side, I can add the 2w plus w to get 3w plus 1. And then I'll get all my w's together, so I will subtract the whole 3w term from the right side here over to the left side. But notice on the left, 3w minus 3w, that cancels as well. So what I'm left with is 5 is greater than or equal to 1. Now there's no more variables, so the question is this a true statement or a false statement? Since 5 is greater than 1, that is true. What that tells me is that it doesn't matter what w value you have, this is going to be true for every value of w. So we say that this is true for all real numbers. Let's do another one. Again, here, what I'm going to do is simplify the left-hand side and the right-hand side separately first, and then I'll start moving things around. So I'm going to take my 1/3 and distribute it in. 1/3 of 15 is 5x. 1/3 of positive 3 is 1. And I multiply my 5 on the right-hand side to get 5x minus 10. Now, just like the last one, I want to get all of the variables together. So I'm going to take all 5x's away from the right, and then I have to do the same thing on the left. But notice they're all going to cancel on the left as well. So I end up with 1, positive 1, is less than negative 10. Now I know that 1 is less than 10, but if you look at a number line, 1 is on the right and negative 10 is on the left. So positive 1's actually going to be bigger than that, which makes this not a true statement. So therefore, because all of your variables canceled and you got something that's false, nothing is ever going to work for this. This was just false to begin with. So we're going to say that there is no solution to this inequality. Let's do one more. Just like the last two, I'm going to simplify each side individually before I solve. So I distribute the 6, and then I distribute the 3. Here I'm going to take all the 6's away from the right-hand side. They all cancel on the right, and I move them to the left, but just like the last two, they cancel on the left-hand side as well. So now I've got 18 is less than 18. All of your variables canceled, so we need to decide, is this a true statement or is it a false statement? This is 18 is less than 18. We know that 18 equals 18. It's not less than 18, so this is a false statement, which brings us back to the case that there is no solution. And those are a couple examples of special cases of inequalities. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.